Monday starts the week with cheer. Family fun and love is near. We rest, we play, we laugh and run. Sunday's full of sunny fun. Monday comes with school bags bright. Time to learn and do things right. Hello books and pencils too. Monday says let's start brand new. Tuesday taps its dancing feet, learning songs and counting beats. We draw, we sing, we build, we play. Tuesday is a fun-filled day. Wednesday's here, it's halfway through. We're busy bees with lots to do. Paint a picture, plant a seed. Wednesday gives us what we need. Thursday brings a thinking cap. We read a book and take a nap. Almost time to shout hooray, because the weekend's on its way. The Friday's fun and full of cheer. The weekend's almost here. We clean, we dance, we do our best. Friday gives us time to rest. Saturday's the final day. Time to laugh, relax and play. We visit parks and ride our bike. Saturday's just what we like. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday too. Wednesday, Thursday, all for you. Friday, Saturday, what a treat. 7 days make life so sweet. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday too. Wednesday, Thursday, all for you. Friday, Saturday, what a treat. 7 days make life so sweet.